Hello, and welcome to the unboxing of the Asus VivoBook 15. This particular model is the X505ZA, so it's in dark gray. It's a Ryzen 5 laptop with the Vega 8 integrated graphics and has 1 TB of storage. And well, let's open it up to see what's inside. So here is a handle for carrying. Here is the seal, and we're going to break the seal. Up. And open it up. Inside, it's the laptop in a protective bag. So it has this hexagonal finish on it with the Asus logo engraved with aluminium or something that resembles aluminium. Okay, let's put this aside. So here is some Asus paperwork in search of incredible. Their branding, and here's a CD, but this laptop doesn't have an optical drive from what I know, so why is this in here? I don't know, we shall see. What's left? So nothing left here. This was just for the laptop to stand in. And in the right it should be the power adapter. It's in a separate box. Yep, a very small power adapter from Asus with a classic laptop plug. It's the round plug, a DC plug. The cool thing about this laptop is that it has fast charge, so it can charge 60% in about an hour, which is going to be really cool if you forgot to charge your laptop. So I already presented you the top. Here is the bottom. It's completely sealed. The battery is not user removable. Here is the vent and the vent intake. 2 speakers on the bottom. Okay. Let's open it so I can remove that protective mesh. Okay. So inside, this is the left side. Okay. Power, Ethernet jack, with this style of making the Ethernet jack smaller. HDMI, USB 3.0 and USB Type-C. And the other half, 2 USBs. I don't think they are, oh, they're 3.0 from what I can see. Yeah, they're 3.0. Headphone jack and an SD card reader with the Kensington lock and the lights for the power and the drive. Let's open it up. So it has a 15.6-inch display with near bezel-less. Oh, sorry. Some sweat coming off of me. It's pretty warm here. It's August when I'm filming this. And the keyboard is pretty big and pretty well spaced out. This is a good thing, though the drawback is that there's no numpad in here. And let's open it up, see if it has power to boot. Okay, doesn't look like it. Okay, so there is no power in here, so I'm going to charge it and make a review of it when I have time. This has been the unboxing. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye.